just wanna eat on you, the uko juu. Hey, I can't take my eyes off you. You shine so bright, girl. I notice you from afar. I like you.
Hello guys, it's your boy Chief Dan. Nakumbuke so roundini nimekuleta mazee jikoni. So it's cooking edition. So make sure mazee unawashiki to hadi mwisho. Then make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on our YouTube channel. Tomorrow Diaries zote mazee, Instagram, Twitter, nini ya Tomorrow Diaries. So leo tuko hotels and hospitality kitchen Masai University. So bila kuchelewesha tutaenda. Wenye unazaona tuko ndani ya kitchen. My videographers can, you know, majiko kubwa sana hapa hivi. People are washing and people are really doing their thing. So probably tutaanza on this other side. Chef nani?
Chef Jonathan.
Chef Jonathan, eh?
Yeah.
So what are you trying to do? Maze, unataka ma blender nini?
Yeah, I'm blending soup. It is tomato soup. So after boiling the tomato soup and all the ingredients together, then I have to boil. I have to blend before I boil again. And then I have to see the consistency of it. And then they can flour, so that it brings the consistency, the thickness of the soup now.
Oh, so kibroth flani hivi
kitamu. Yeah, the kibroth now, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay, so hi. What's your name? Mary Wanjiku. So nini unafanya hii mazee? Inakaa tasty.
I'm making the mayonnaise. So I'm mixing with the oil. So it can be consistent.
Okay, so okay, and the product inakaaje of this?
And product.
Is it something like a cake or
no,
ugali ama a sauce? Okay. So kupika ni ngumu. Way to a man's heart is through the stomach. So hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
You're looking good?
Yeah.
So what's your name? Faith. What are you doing? Nika unapanguza keki ama?
I'm brushing the bread rolls with butter to prevent them from cracking.
Na pia kujishikilia ama ni cracking tu?
Yeah, from zikikauka sana zitapasuka.
Oh, zitapasuka. Wow, okay. Yeah. Alafu tuko hapa hivi na jamaa fulani, before then a change alikuwa amevaa acha niite apron. Haikuwa imepigwa pasi. So ni aje man. Ni aje. So hebu just tell the viewers unaitwa nani?
Mimi naitwa Sam ama Kamande. Mimi ni mixologist.
So mixologist ni nini?
Mixologist ni mtu mwenye hucheza na ma drinks hivi.
Mavitu
creative, anakuwa creative na drinks.
Hiyo ni chocha wewe si nini. So tuta nini hapa hivi? Tuko na chef fulani hapa nataka naona anakoroga vitu kwa jiko kubwa sana. So ni aje mazee?
Poa sana.
Unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Peter.
Peter. Ni nini unafanya?
Natengeneza curried chicken.
Bro, curried what?
Curried chicken.
Curried chicken. What is curried chicken?
Any kuku, it's more of a stew. The only difference is the curry powder. Unaongeza apples. Alafu
okay, apples ndani ya mchuzi.
Yep.
Whoa. So how long does it take?
Around 30 to 45 minutes. Yeah.
Wow, alafu hizi vitu za white ndo ni powder ama hizi ni nini? There are some white stuffs inside.
Sasa I'm trying to make a sort of a sauce ikuwe thick. Alafu hii kuku itapata some itakuwa wet.
Kuku itakuwa wet. Okay. So by wet meaning itakuwa na
more of a stew.
More of a stew, okay?
Yeah.
Wow, that is so nice mazee. So watu wanaogopa kamera, nikisonga kila mtu anahepa. But hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Catherine.
Catherine, what are you trying to do? Juni kama something brown and you're adding milk?
Okay,
this
is a chocolate sauce.
Chocolate sauce?
Yeah.
So okay, unakula na nini chocolate sauce?
Na keki, a chocolate cake.
Mazee kuna kitu kukuliwa na ugali hapa. Anyway, ni sawa. So what are the ingredients of preparing the chocolate sauce?
Sukari, kuna butter, ama margarine, then maziwa, Na chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
So chocolate unaweza ika kwa moto kumbe?
Yeah, you can.
Well, alafu, I keep on calling this thing jiko kubwa. What is this?
Hii ni jiko kubwa.
Ni jiko kubwa tu. Wow, there was somebody alikuwa na prepare think chapati but amevanish. Ni sawa, tutasonga huku. Ako around So hi. Niaje?
Okay.
So mbona unapika na umekasirika hivyo?
Ni facial expression yangu.
Oh, ni facial expression. Ama sasa ukiwa serious ndio upike chakula serious?
Na nakwanga hivi.
Unakwanga hivi?
Normal day.
So what's your name?
Constance.
Who?
Constance.
Oh, Constance. So what are you trying to do?
I'm making managu. Cream managu.
Oh. So ladies and gentlemen, at long last kuna issue ya managu. Kitu najua at least tunaweza kuliwa na ugali. So okay, apart from kitunguu na the normal nyanya, anything special?
No, just cream.
Oh, just
milk
that.
Cream, yeah.
So usha like you just boil and then Oh, it's here boiled. Oh, so ni just the normal way.
Yeah.
You at least najua. That one at least inaweza pika managu hivyo. So here tutaenda kwa watu wanafanya nini? Watu wanapika chapo. So hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Mercy.
Masi.
Yeah.
So Masi, hii chapo inakaa na vitu za orange if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So what are the ingredients of this chapo you're cooking?
We have wheat flour, carrots, sugar, a pinch, salt, and also we have a little fat. We have oil.
Oh, oil.
Yeah.
So how long does it take to prepare chapo?
Like I think
Mixing everything before you start cooking?
before you start, like 20 to 30 minutes.
20 to 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow. That is so good. And then hapa hivi, I think my videographers wanachukua, there is a cake. It's happy birthday Leshan. So niaje? We're back again maze.
Yeah.
So hii keki ni msea ameorder ama ni mmeamua tu kutengeneza?
Yeah, because today we are preparing an event menu, and the event menu is a wedding party in Narok. That's why we have a Lashan name, Masai name. So we have prepared this cake yesterday. It took around 45 minutes, and then we this morning we iced this morning using some different colors, mostly the red color for the Masai people.
Yeah.
Because they finish in the Masai
The
area.
blue, sindo?
The blue, yeah, the blue and the red one.
So kutengeneza keki na umesema inachukua 45 minutes.
45 minutes
so,
to mix ingredients zote na kubake, so it is 45 minutes.
So hii kitu umeweka aje? Hii number 5.
Hii number 5 nimedip tu kwa keki. The cake is soft. So after ice so zote una dip tu na ndio tutasimama tu yenyewe.
Oh, so number 5 inamaanisha nini?
It's the 5th birthday.
Oh, the 5th birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So that is amazing guys, and before tumalizie tunataka tusikie the guy in charge atuambie 1 2 3 things. So niaje?
Mzuri sana.
So my name is Dan. And who are you?
My name is Elijah. Sunkuli. Yes.
So Elijah, what's your role here in this department?
All right. As a technician.
Yes.
You're
the technician.
Yeah, I'm basically working with these students to make sure they're doing the right thing.
Wasichome vitu ama wasipike chapo imeungua.
Kitu kama hiyo. And then also, they're also learning these things.
Yeah.
Sometimes they have a question here and there. So I'm here to guide them.
Of course, there is always a first time for everything. So yes. I keep on calling this jiko kubwa. What is
this? Is a cooking range.
Okay, cooking range.
Called a cooking range, a gas cooking range, because it is gas operated.
Oh, it's gas operated.
Yeah,
nilikuwa niulize inatumia makaa makuni.
Yeah, it's a gas operated. So you see, it's a range, so you can have so many activities taking place on it.
Wow.
At the same time.
Wow.
So it makes work very easy. Yes.
So if I may just ask, kuna wale watu wanataka kujoin hii maneno ya kupika. What can you tell them?
I think our school of hotel and tourism, is coming up with a very good arrangement, so that people can even start taking short courses. Yeah, so that you can also come here.
3 months.
Yes, exactly. Yes. Yes, yeah,
I'll come to see chocolate whatever. Nimesahau hata jina.
So
ni nini inaweza test mazee? I have to tell my viewers how sweet these things are.
Yeah, who is the chef? Where is the chef in charge?
Peter.
Where Peter?
Peter kuje mapema. Peter.
Yeah.
Peter, I want to test something.
Yeah, he needs
Yeah.
to test something.
But then I eat everything apart from sumu na sabuni.
So go ahead.
So neza test nini
Let
bita?
him test anything that is ready.
There's
But otherwise, we
some bread
welcome
rolls,
you.
yeah?
Today we are going to have a very nice buffet in our restaurant. So you're welcome for lunch.
So in case somebody enda kuleta maybe the girlfriend or somebody, the loved one, anaweza order ama
Yeah, it's possible.
it's possible.
to
So
do.
akuje tu asiogope.
Asiogope. Yeah, it's asiogope in a restaurant.
At affordable price.
Affordable price. Only 200 shillings and you'll have a 3-course meal.
Wow.
You'll have soup or a Russian salad. You'll and then you'll have a roasted leg of lamb. That's basically mbuzi choma. You will have
Chapati,
chicken,
milkshake,
chicken curry, you have chapati, and not just chapati. You see, it's carrot chapati. So it's special chapati.
Sure.
Special kind of chapati.
Mimi nimezoea ile chapati ya kuweka chumvi na unga na unakoroga.
So you'll have all that. And by the way, you'll also have ugali.
Hey, what about ugali?
We also have ugali today. That is what our students are calling maize dumpling.
Oh yeah.
So it will be there. And you'll have a very nice dessert over either a milkshake or a cake. Yeah, so you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Karibu sana.
I'll tell those guys wakuje.
At
So
exactly 12:30, we'll start serving.
Okay.
Yes.
No problem.
Karibu sana.
Tumeshukuru.
Karibu.
So actually I want to address this thing. Nione Okay. This is what I'm gonna say. These things taste really fine. Perfect. So make sure mazee unakuja huku hivi hospitality. You can come with your loved one. Unaweza kuja peke yako ujibambe at an affordable price. So thank you so much. Na before with me leo niko na waiters na waitress. Tuko ndani ya hospitality kwenyewe. So make sure mazee unakuja una have a taste. This food is really delicious. So nitaanza na introduction, at least waseme tu hi. So niaje Roba?
Fiti sana.
Kwa good eh? Yeah. So hey, niaje?
I'm fine.
So how are you?
I'm good.
Alafu just kidogo aonekane. Okay, hiyo jina ni ngumu. So niaje?
Poa sana.
So jina ni gani?
Fad.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Hello.
Niaje?
Poa sana.
Kwa fiti.
Kabisa.
So hello.
Hello.
Niaje?
Poa sana.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, by the way, like I told you tukiwa kitchen, nilikuwa nawaambia actually, madam, the only way to a man's heart is through the stomach. So tuko hapa leo na mixologist na mjuoka Kamande. So sijui kama actually ile jina yake asipeane jina lingine hapa hivi. So niaje bro?
Poa sana.
Kufiti. Naona ni mama yai na this is cucumber.
Mama yai kidogo. Try to extract a goit. Ndio natumia kwa cocktail yetu ya leo. Inaitwa Pink Lady.
Pink Lady. Ai, kwani kila chakula iko associated na dem? Okay. So umesema unatengeneza nini actually?
Cocktail inaitwa Pink Lady. So sasa ina try to extract hii goit ipatia weight ya mayai.
Oh, inaweza tolewa.
Inaweza toka, so una pia kitu kidogo tu hapo unalao itoke.
Okay. So okay, like in short, end product itakuwa mayai raw ama
end product itakuwa cocktail kitu tamu sana ya pink. Na itakuwa made in such a way that hautajua ni nini iko ndani.
Okay.
Utajua kama iko na mayai.
Alafu ndo na ice cubes. So
kuna ice cubes, so first of all na shake ikiwa dry. Napima egg white kidogo. And then ni gin based, so ndatumia Gilbey's.
Woo. Okay.
Tumia Gilbey's.
Ni sawa?
Just one tot.
But then unasikia pombe nini enhance digestion ama ni choche na kuoga choche?
Inasaidiaga sana.
Inasaidia. No wonder mimi
very very effective. So
inanukia vizuri.
Hii ni syrup yetu grenadine. Itatupea hiyo color yetu ya cocktail.
Okay.
So tunapima kidogo pia tot moja.
So like ni quarter of this
tot moja inakuwa 30 ml.
30 ml. Na sijaona umejua je 30 ml ama unajua hizi vitu?
Ni kuzoea tu.
Kuzoea tu.
So kenye tutafanya, we are going to shake. We're going to dry shake that until zielewane kabisa kizuri kitu na leak.
So unazidi tu kushake.
Una shake hadi hiyo element ya mayai kwa hiyo cocktail ina dissolve na hiyo gin. So cocktail
just maybe kama our camera lady anaweza chukua. So umeshake hadi nimeona it's like imemix yenyewe the syrup and the
hadi elewane
mengiana.
So
Gilbis nanukia sawa.
Una feel ka Gilbis.
Na feel ka Gilbis mazee. Muhimu si ndio?
So in your glass, one point about making cocktail, you need ice cube. Ice cube is the most important element ya cocktail. So kuna watu uliza mbona tunajaza ice cube kwa glass to make cocktail. And I tell them ice cubes, the more the ice cubes, by the way you find out ukimaliza kukunywa cocktail yako bado itabaki na ile pombe bado utakuwa unaifeel bado. When you put less ice cubes zita dissolve ndani ya hiyo cocktail much faster. So zikiwa mingi inasaidia zikae intact,
zikae pamoja.
Alafu you should take your cocktail when it's cold. So zinasaidia sana ibaki.
Utamu wake ni baridi tena
na baridi. Utamu wake ni baridi. Utamu wake ni baridi.
I see that.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to top that up with lemon.
Lemon. So hence that's why umetumia crest
The one nimetumia bitter lemon. Makes it much easier. So I'm going to stir it a little bit.
So unaweza tumia ni gin, that's why uliamua kutumia Gilbis.
Okay. London dry gin.
Wow.
So one thing about gin, gin goes well with cucumber or lemon. So today I'm going to use cucumber as my garnish.
Ni baridi fiti maze.
Ni baridi vizuri.
Okay, sasa nimeget. Hizo ndo vitu tunaona ngomeka tumachungwa tu vitu huko juu.
Unaweka machungwa. So today we're going to incorporate the taste of cucumber inside the cocktails. Ndio maana
But pia unaweza tumia any other.
You can use any other fruit. But for gin, it depends on base spirit. Today we're using gin, so that's why we're going with cucumber.
Okay, so it depends like.
So once you taste that cocktail, you're going to feel some cucumber in it, you're going to feel some
So
gin.
I can taste.
You can taste.
Okay. Wacha ni test kubwa alafu nitauliza venye na nini. Man. Woo. Check hiyo. Imeweza kabisa. Imeweza. Unajua mkoana. Wow. This is amazing. Alafu hizi ni nini sasa these
hizi ni lemons. Normally there are some clients when you wanna prefer lemons over cucumber.
Okay.
When you attack to taste the cucumber, so we use lemons to replace the cucumber.
So how much does this cost?
This for now we are selling at 200
bucks.
It's inside the whole offer.
It's like a package of something. So nikisema when I come here I give you guys 200 bob na nipatia nini?
You get any cocktail you want depending on what we have on the menu.
Just cocktail ama nataka the package
you
like
for 200 you get the food, the full meal plus a cocktail.
Okay, by meal I mean kuna ugali hapo kuna
okay. It's a buffet today, so you serve anything you want from the buffet.
Wow.
And then you feel like a cocktail.
Wow. Alafu naona kuna nini? Kuna
variety hapa.
Kuna wine.
We have dry wine. We have sweet red wine. We have dry red. We have brandy, viceroy. And we have all the rest, the chasers.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. This is so amazing. So, ladies and gentlemen, nimesikia hiyo story. Yangu hapa yangu. See you next time. So make sure like, subscribe.
Si adenge amebeba, si ngai ngai gonga.